Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Kobeli. If you are new to my channel, you are definitely welcome, and I hope to see you for like forever. Well, I hope that you get to see me for an extended period of time, and the only way you can do that is if you subscribe. If you watched my previous video, you'll see that we're currently doing the 500 subscriber challenge. That pretty much means that by the end of June we have a target to reach 500 subscribers, and truthfully speaking, the only way that I can achieve that goal is if you watching this subscribe to my channel. So again, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and engage with me in the comment section. I try to, in fact, I actually respond to each and every single comment that I get on my videos. It really goes a long way, you know, YouTube algorithm, getting views and all of that. So I would really appreciate your support. You subscribing, giving the video a thumbs up, commenting definitely goes a long way, and I am always humbled by the positive feedback that I get with my videos. And I mean, I try and cater my content to be as helpful as possible. So if you have any video ideas or personal questions that you might have about me or my locks, leave them in the comment section as well, and I will definitely and excitingly respond to them. As you see by the title of this video, we are going to be doing a moisture routine. So let's get into the video. My first go-to product when it comes to moisturizing hair is aloe vera juice. You can totally make your own. It was just easier for me to get a store-bought one, and so that's what I did. Aloe vera nourishes and conditions the hair, making it an excellent moisturizer. It contains vitamins such as A, C, E, and vitamin B12, which are great for repairing and replenishing your hair. It has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic benefits, treating the itch caused by dandruff. I don't want to say that it combats dandruff because I still get it, but maybe I'm just not using it right. So if it's worked for you, please let me know in the comment section, and maybe I can change up how I've been using the product. The hydrating and repairing properties found in aloe vera, combined with the essential fatty acids found in coconut oil, make the perfect combination to treat dry, damaged strands. And that brings us to our second product, being coconut oil. Coconut oil stimulates the scalp. It removes product buildup and combats dryness and an itchy scalp. It prevents hair loss and promotes hair growth by reducing protein loss in your hair. It also increases moisture retention, which keeps your hair moisturized, shiny and soft, which prevents breakage. To be honest with you, if it wasn't for these two essential oils, I really wouldn't bother with any hair care DIYs. And these two are lavender oil and eucalyptus. I mainly use these two as fragrance, but they also have the product benefits, which is an added bonus for our hair care. But be mindful, a little does go a long way. And last but certainly not least, grapeseed oil. I use this oil as a sealant rather than a moisturizer. It saves hair from brittleness, recovers elasticity and gloss back to every strand. You can also use it as a heat protectant. Not that you should be using heat on your hair. And lastly, it is very light and doesn't make your hair greasier or clog your pores. I then poured all my products in a spray bottle, an exception of the grapeseed oil, 1 part coconut oil, 2 parts aloe vera juice, a few drops of the essential oils, gave it a good shake, and we're all good to go. So I switched from loose natural hair to dreadlocks because I was under the impression that dreadlocks require low maintenance, and truthfully speaking, they are low maintenance. They require low manipulation, if any at all. And if you are working too hard on your locks, you probably should stop, because that can lead to long-term damage. But one thing that you cannot escape is introducing moisture to your hair, because especially for us people with ethnic hair, our moisture is really vital to length retention and for overall healthy hair. If your hair is dry, it's going to snag, it's going to be crunchy, it's going to break off, and that is when your locks start thinning out, especially from the roots. And honestly, well, maybe there is a way to turn back from that, but it'll probably take you a lot more time, money and emotions to regain your hair density and to rebuild your hair length once it's really damaged than if you just adopt a good hair regime. Hair is very tricky because it is not a one size fits all. What works for me may or may not work for you, and there's so much information out there on the things that you can do to take care of your hair better, how to moisturize your hair better, the types of tools to be using, and honestly none of those things are going to work for you if you don't get some of the key things right. And a few of those could be what hair type you have, whether you have low, high or normal porosity, the climate that you stay in, if it's humid, if it's dry, the different products that are available in the market and the benefits that each product has, and how your hair will respond to those products, again depending on hair type and porosity. And it even goes as far as knowing what your budget is, what you're willing to spend your money on, and lifestyle. If you are somebody who's really busy with other stuff, you don't want to find yourself investing your money and time in products that are going to require you to spend a lot of time to work into your hair. If you are lazy, if you just want things to be extra simple, then there's no value in you going out and splurging thousands and thousands of rands and buying hair products that you are probably just going to keep in your cupboard. I feel like for the longest time as ethnic people, we didn't really have a lot of products that cater for our hair type, and once those products started coming in, they just became so expensive. They're just so expensive, it is outrageous, and I'm not the one to really spend a lot of money on hair. My hair is very important to me, but I cannot justify spending maybe over 1,000 rand on hair care products, and mainly because I get tired of hair routines. So if I spend money on something, I want to make sure that I use it. So I try to always find products that I can use throughout the house. That is why a majority of my hair products include essential oils, as well as maybe like cooking oils, like you saw with my coconut oil and grape seed oil. Anyway, I've really been blabbering for a very long time now, so let's just get into the actual moisturizing. Okay, so we are up close and personal. I'm going to go in with my warm water. The reason why I went with warm water is because it helps open up your follicles, which will help the hair absorb the products better. And one thing that you should know about about low porosity hair is that our hair ain't trying to do shit. Our hair is not trying to take in the product, it's not trying to do any work, so you really have to work the products in yourself. So I'm going to take my water again and just spray all of that goodness in there, and I'm really going to work the water into my hair before I even introduce my aloe vera and seal the moisture into my hair. And notice that I'm not even detangling my hair. This is not loose natural hair. You really don't need to detangle. Locks are tangled hair, so don't get too excited with detangling, otherwise you are going to compromise the integrity of your locks. You see, all of that water is now absorbed into our hair. So now we're gonna grab our solution. Remember to give it a good mix, because again, oils and fluids don't really mix that well, but you want to have enough product to go around, and we're just This smells really good, hey? I don't like the smell of coconut oil. I don't like the smell of aloe vera juice. But because I added my eucalyptus and lavender in there, the smell is just, it is so amazing. I kid you not. I'm gonna give it a good spray, and I'm gonna work that solution into my hair. Make sure that, oh, this thing smells so good. Gonna make sure that we have a good distribution of products in there. I just realized that I spent a lot of time massaging the products into my hair and I didn't really explain why. My hair is low porosity hair, which means that it does not readily absorb moisture. That is why you see the droplets of the mixture resting on my strands even a while after I've sprayed it. And trust me, it will stay there until it evaporates if I do not work it in. That is why you will hear some people say that spraying water alone on your hair will eventually dry it out. I'm going to be uploading a video soon that gives you a crash course on porosity and how to determine your own. At this point, I was really tired. Mind you, this is only the first section, so if you are watching this and are about to moisturize your hair, please cancel all of your plans because you have a long way to go. Once my hair had accepted all the moisture, it was time to seal it in, and this is where the grapeseed oil comes in. So funny story, I do not own a squeeze bottle. I'm not a big fan of having too much oil in my hair. If I do, I bear the fruits of it on my skin. Exhibit A is that hugest pimple that is by my eyebrow. I just feel like with a squeeze bottle, I can't control how much oil ends up on my hair. So I just pour the oil in a bowl, then I throw my fingertips in there and pick up the oil and apply it straight to my hair. This is pretty much how I moisturize my hair. I do this every second to third day or when my hair is looking thirsty and needing some love. We've hit 500 subscribers and on the way to 1,000, yay! I really appreciate you guys. You have no idea. Please indicate in the comment section if you are new to the family so I can show you some love like you have shown me. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please give this video a thumbs up, and again, please subscribe. I really appreciate the support in growing my channel. Until next time, I love you guys. Bye!